Number 1. 1982 Coupe Deville, $3,500, Mishawaka, Indiana. This 1982 Cadillac Coupe Deville offers a strong body with a custom tuxedo top and new white wall tires, yet it is noted as not running well. The odometer reads 80,000 miles, and the title is clean. While the transmission is automatic and the car type is a coupe, the mechanical issues will need addressing. For a Cadillac of this era, the heavy frame, plush interior, and presence on the road are strong advantages. The upside here is the affordable ask paired with a good body, but expect effort to make it a reliable driver. Number 2. 1984 Pontiac Parisienne Brougham, $3,000, 100-mile house, British Columbia, Canada. A good condition sedan equipped with a 305 cubic inch engine, automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and 44,400 miles. Paint color is white, title clean, includes new gas tank and a set of 4 snow tires. The Parisienne Brougham is a Canadian market full-size model with similar underpinnings to US Chevrolet models, and the claimed 26 to 27 mpg on the highway adds practical appeal. This could serve well as a daily driver or restoration base. Number 3. 1969 Volkswagen Beetle, $3,000, Seattle, Washington. A Beetle finished in yellow, manual transmission, runs, drives, and stops. The seller emphasizes no rust and a number of recent brake and steering repairs/upgrades. The odometer is not clearly stated. The Beetle's simple mechanics and broad parts availability make it a solid entry-level classic. The lack of rust listed is a strong plus. Number 4. 1961 Ford Thunderbird, an $1,800, Napa County, California. Equipped with a 390 V8 and automatic transmission, this 1961 Thunderbird is described as runs good, but the interior is out and the title is missing out of DMV system. The classic lines of early Thunderbirds and the 390 power plant carry collector appeal, but the missing title and incomplete interior represent major hurdles. If title clearance and interior rebuild are feasible, this could be a worthwhile project. Number 5. 1968 Dodge D100, $2,200, Butte. A half-ton pickup in blue paint, 8-cylinder, automatic, 65,000 miles. Body is described as super straight with little rust, though floorboards will need replacement. Clean title in hand. This budget-friendly truck has good foundation for restoration or use as a vintage haul truck hobby project. The body condition is a strong asset. Number 6. 1974 Ford LTD Classic, $4,000, Anadarko, Oklahoma. The car features a 351 cubic inch motor modified to 400 cubic inches, dual exhaust, automatic transmission, and 44,100 miles, odometer rolled. The "everything works" claim is encouraging. As a full-size Ford of the 1970s, this LTD offers abundant interior room, V8 power, and a relaxed cruising character, but may lack the premium collector appeal of sport models. Its value lies in driving comfort and preservation potential. Number 7. 1977 Chevy Impala 4-door project car, 1 to 450, Sheridan, Oregon. This four-door sedan has a 305 motor, automatic transmission, 137,000 miles. It runs and drives, but has multiple interior and electrical issues. Broken rear window, cracked dash, interior missing pieces, some lights non-functional. A true project car requiring significant investment, but the body is described as from Texas, less moisture exposure. For the budget-conscious builder, could be a worthwhile candidate. Number 8. 1963 Ford Thunderbird, $8,000, Cabazon, California. 29,807 miles, rolled odometer noted, 390 V8, automatic transmission, solid California car with new upholstery. The trunk pan has some rust but is considered minor. While not perfect, the rust-free description and Thunderbird styling of the era, with its clean lines and power options, give this car strong appeal as a driver. The slight top-end tick noted means a tune-up is likely required. Number 9. 1986 Nissan 300ZX non-turbo, $9,500, Tucson, Arizona, 6-cylinder, manual transmission, 135,000 miles, red paint, clean title. The seller remarks, driver condition, new tires and bushings, cold AC, original radio works, only driver side window motor needed. As a second-generation Z car, the 300ZX is increasingly appreciated by enthusiasts for its performance, styling, and reliability. This appears to be a sound choice for someone seeking a late 80s sports car. Number 10. 1986 Firebird Trans Am, $15,000, Hemet, California. Two-owner vehicle, 6,605 miles, or 8,000 miles listed. Black paint, automatic transmission, condition described as like new with slight paint damage and LCD degradation. As a modern classic muscle car, low miles and original condition boost collectability. The asking price reflects the rarity of near-new examples. A very strong candidate if verified mileage and condition hold up. Number 11. 1966 Buick LeSabre two-door coupe, $14,000, Durango, Colorado. 84,830 miles, automatic transmission, large two-door personal luxury car. The seller has installed a new Edelbrock Performer Thunder Series 600 CFM carburetor, new electronic ignition, full brake service, new white wall tires, and maintained glass windows. Convertible top in excellent condition. This Sabre combines comfortable cruising with vintage luxury. The upgrades improve drivability and reliability while maintaining the classic Buick character. Number 12, 1975 Oldsmobile Delta 88 Convertible, $11,000, Sacramento, California. 75,000 miles. Yellow paint, 455 cubic inch big block, automatic transmission. Convertible type, electric top, windows and seats. Clean title, registered and tagged, described as get in and drive anywhere. The big block Delta 88 Convertible blends full-size grandeur with performance. For someone seeking a drop-top vintage GM cruiser, this is a compelling offering. Number 13, 1969 Ford Torino GT, $18,000, Boise, Idaho. 70,000 miles, automatic transmission, 351 cubic inch engine. The Torino GT is one of Ford's mid-size performance models from the muscle era. While not as famous as some rival models, a well-kept example like this commands attention for its blend of practicality and performance. Research on matching numbers and condition would help strengthen its value. Number 14, 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle SS, $16,500, Visalia, California. 69,000 miles, automatic transmission, all original heavy Chevy with many SS options. Painted cream yellow with black stripes, 350 cubic inch V8, factory 2-barrel carburetor, automatic 12-bolt rear end, never been painted, claimed, matching numbers, clean title, California car with minor rust. The Chevelle SS is one of the most iconic American muscle cars. The matching numbers claim and factory options elevate its desirability. Minor rust is a caveat, but manageable for a careful buyer. Number 15, 1974 VW Karmann Ghia, $16,000, Loveland, Colorado. 1,000 miles, presumably on a rebuild or swapped engine. Manual transmission, 1600 engine. As a classic VW air-cooled model with Karmann Ghia styling, this car is lightweight, fun to drive, and has good aftermarket support. The extremely low mileage makes it particularly interesting. Verification of condition and originality will be important. Number 16, 1985 Oldsmobile Cutlass Salon, $16,000, Chicago, Illinois. 600 miles, or 600 listed, automatic transmission, fuel-injected 355 small block LS swap, TH350 transmission, original radio works, new exhaust system, professionally built. This is a modern classic Rista mod, blending original Cutlass styling with performance upgrades and EFI. For someone seeking a driver with vintage looks and modern performance, this is an appealing choice, though it diverges from strictly original collector standards.